Hi everyone, summertime in Canada. Time to get out there and explore it. So come with me, I'm going to show you how beautiful this whole province. Very steep hill. There's a sign that says, do not enter. I won't. It's too crazy for me to go all the way over there. I'm going this way. One thing that I always carry with me, sometimes in my backpack, sometimes I'm handling it like this, it is this guy here. So if you need for an animal, this guy here will help you to protect yourself. Bears, cougars, wolves, he will help you to keep them away. So if you guys are gonna walk in the bush, I recommend you to have a pair of walking sticks with this tip over here pretty sharp. That come handy sometimes.
There is so much beauty in this part of the world. Come with me to explore and embrace this place.
Look at this amazing waterfall. Small but beautiful. Sometimes it gets a little bushy in the summertime, but it's all good. Well, I think I found a perfect spot. Let's set up a little tent and cook something to eat.
Spending time in nature helps escape the stress of daily life, bringing calm and clarity to our minds.
Now that I set up this little shelter right here, I'm gonna make something very delicious. Time to relax. Today we're gonna make a sandwich with this guy right here. Foldable stove. Very amazing because look at this. Everything is here inside. So you want to fold this guy like this. The propane goes right here inside. Bang. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at how beautiful. Oh yeah, some nice toasted bread. Now, here we go, the magic. Very, very, very good. The tomato, olive oil, garlic, the cheese, the quality of the bread. Everything melts in your mouth. And right here, can't go wrong. Hey. Come back over here. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. Now you can go. Bye. Ciao.